This video is for those Windows users who don't know much about computers or are new to Windows 10. We will be teaching you how to download and install Google Chrome after clean install Windows 10. Although this video is being recorded on a Windows 10 machine, but whole procedure is pretty same for Windows 8, Windows 7, and other users. Before clean install Windows, make proper preparations in advance to avoid time waste and any trouble. In addition to other things, download or save all important Windows drivers, such as Wi-Fi, Ethernet, video, audio, and other drivers. The very first thing, you need to make sure that Wi-Fi or Ethernet drivers are installed, and you are connected to the internet. There are 3 ways to install drivers. Use drivers DVD or CD. If you don't have a CD, or DVD, or computer or laptop does not have a CD, or DVD drive, then download the drivers from the internet, on another computer, and copy to a USB flash or memory card, and then install the drivers. If you don't have another computer, then download drivers using your phone, and transfer to computer with no drivers, and then install. We assume you've installed drivers, and the internet is now working. Let's move to the next step. Click on Start menu and type Microsoft Edge. You may use Internet Explorer if you use Windows 8 or Windows 7. Chrome no longer supports Windows XP and Windows Vista. Click on Microsoft Edge to open it. Type Google Chrome in the search bar and hit Enter. Click on First Search Result. Click Download Chrome. Click Accept and Install. Click Save to download. The download is complete. Click to launch the installer. Please keep in mind, this is an online installer. It will first download installation files, and then install Google Chrome. For speedy Chrome installation, you can use the offline installer of Google Chrome. Please visit softsuggester.com to download Google Chrome offline installer. The installation is now complete, and Google Chrome is ready to use. We would like to suggest to sign into Google Chrome via a Gmail account. The Google account will back up bookmarks, extensions, settings, usernames, passwords, and other things. After the clean install, it will restore all things. Team Simple Tutorial. Hope you find today's video informative, and this video helps you install Google Chrome after clean install Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. If we could not explain anything properly, please do use the comments section for your questions. The comments section can also be used for precious suggestions and feedback.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.